Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy here, Abdul from Tech112. On this video guys of today, I hope everybody has a great day and enjoyed the dates. Each day is great. So for further info, let me just break it down. So today I'm going to teach you something which is very great and impressive, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. This is actually upon cameras. We all know that we are different types of cameras, especially when it comes to me. I usually use GoPro and I usually use a phone, like I mix my footages and all that, because one thing, I don't use DSLR, but upcoming videos you guys will just see something good is coming by. So since I'm shooting with mobile devices, I'll teach you guys the basics. I know that a little bit of video content creators who are very great on using their mobile device, and they're turning a video into a cinematic video, which is very amazing. Now, I know a lot of people, they have something in their head and they're like, man, we just don't want to shoot with the smartphone because this just looks a little bit local. Now today we're going to turn that local into a little bit of professional. By using your own smartphone, you can create a good footage, especially just like these pictures here. You saw that picture? It's amazing, right? I took that girl, she's a Maasai girl. I asked her for the picture and she said yes, and the answer was go. So I decided to take a picture with her so as I can share with you guys a little bit of a texture. Now, this kind of picture is very great because it has a detail, and I shoot it with the Nexus 5X. So if you have a smartphone out there which has a camera and shoots a video for 1080p, especially I'm talking about the video because I'll be turning it back to normal photography, because this video is all about photography and the video, how you can create a content. So starting up with a picture, if your phone shoots at 1080p, well, you have a great camera out there, which is very amazing. The only thing which would be missing is that your camera perhaps won't shoot at 1080p 60 frames per second, or it just shoots at 1080p 30 frames per second. So you guys must consider a little bit upon that, but the main thing here is just that if you're shooting at 1080p, man, the answer is go. So the real thing about this kind of picture here, as you can see, I took a little bit of different types of pictures. I took a normal walkway picture, like I went to a place whereby they just sell, not only selling, but the dude, man, that dude is great, man. You should, if you're living in Arusha, you should just go and see him. It's around Sakina. He's having a place whereby he's selling cultural vessels, which is very amazing, and I just saw it and I was, man, this is amazing. This dude creates something. And I was with Sapik that day walking by. I just told Sapik, man, I want a smaller vessels. And the same day when I passed by, I just found that vessel there. Man, he was like on my head, thinking out loud on that vessel. Man, I was just like, hey Sapik, and Sapik just told me, bro, you know what, was that dude on your head? You remember just last time you told me about the vessels? Okay, let me stop it. Actually, on the real thing about this video is that I took a little bit of minimal pictures, which is very amazing, and it's very great. So a smartphone can be much powerful and create a great pictures, depend on something like your own kind of device which you purchased it. But the real thing here is that if you want to be a great photographer, it doesn't take you that you go and buy that expensive camera so as you can become a great photographer. You can use your own smartphone to become a good photographer. So it's just that in photography, it's not all about like if somebody like tells you don't do it, man, just look, I'm a programmer and I'm a videographer and I'm a YouTuber and I'm a graphics designer. All of them I can manage them because I just manage my task and making my schedule and all that. So, yeah, something like that. So you can become anybody, because this kind of world thing, a lot of people, they bring it like you can be here, you can be there. Those are just views upon people. So it's like the dream killers, but don't listen to people, just listen to your mind and keep it up. Right now, a little bit, not a little bit, they're much powerful because they have a, yeah, those kind of specification will blow up your head and you'll be like, whoa, man, this is much faster than my computer. Well, that's about how you can get a little bit of picture and a video. And if you take out and see this kind of slow motion video, I just made it and it's very amazing. Like, check out this girl, how she's smiling there with a slow motion. I shoot that video with Nexus 5X at 720p slow motion of 120 frame rates, which is very great because we know that not we know that, but real thing is that my Nexus 5X doesn't shoot video at 1080p 60 frames per second in terms of slow motion, not video normally. Normal video shoots up to 4K, but in terms of slow motion, just shoots at 720p. So as you can see her smiling, it's something which is very great and amazing, because I shooted this video and I thought that it's very impressive to share with you guys, so you can understand that your smartphone is very much powerful. Don't let that dream bring it down, because you want to start up with like a YouTube channel, you want to start up like a smartphone grapher, like you take photography and you just upload them on Instagram or any social media, you find it's very legit. So it's your time to just take your smartphone, go out there and make that moment come to life, because one day you will regret it if you want to do that, and right now you're asking yourself that why can't I just do it? Upcoming years you will become a great kind of person. I just don't want to express it that much, but that's it of today. So you just be out there, be creative, be smart, make a good content. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, just don't hesitate. I'll take you guys a picture. Just don't hesitate to drop that thumbs up. If you find this video very impressive, don't hesitate to drop your comments down below and tell me what's your thoughts upon DSLR and the smartphone and the videography, which should create a very great kind of content. So if you didn't subscribe on my YouTube channel right now, it's your moment to just do it, because it will be very amazing. We're on our way to get that 1K subscriber, which will be very impressive. And you guys, I love you so much. You'll be supporting me. I really appreciate that. You watch my videos and you get them a little bit of info. And if I have misunderstanding in any video, you guys, you always just tell me and correct me in a great kind of way. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.